Samsung did that again. We let our own product move get out. At this point, though, it doesn't even seem like a mistake because pictures of their next foldables are hidden in a new UI build. Not renders or idea art, but real pictures of the device. All the rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide seem to fit together pretty well with this. This is where things get interesting. There were mentions to two devices found in UI 1.9 by people who looked through the files, thanks to Android Authority. One is marked Q8, which is likely to be the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8. The other one is H8, and everyone is talking about it because it leads to this new wide form. We can finally see the back of it for the first time. At this point, it looks exactly like what the leak said it would be. Like most folds, this one is short and wide instead of tall and narrow. It looked like someone had stretched it outward. On paper, it's only a small change, but in real life, it might make the phone feel very different. It's interesting that this wide model's camera setup looks less complicated. This phone has two cameras, which is like what we've seen on tablets like the Samsung Galaxy S25e. It looks like Samsung is trying to sell this as a slightly different kind of fold. Not just bigger, but also maybe more useful or common. In the meantime, the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8. Yeah, I think I've seen that one before. It has the same tall form and triple camera layout as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's more of an improved version of that phone than a complete redesign, but improvements may be happening inside. It is said that there is a bigger 5000 mAh battery, which is really something. With 45 watt fast charging, Samsung is finally catching up in a place where other brands have been way ahead. Fold users have been waiting for this for a long time. Take a step back for a moment, because this isn't happening by itself. As we can see, Samsung seems to be responding to the way the market is moving with this wide, folding idea. There is already one from Huawei called the Huawei P X Max that folds out wide. But it's mostly just in China, so Samsung could still end up being the standard in this area for everyone else.